What is going on, guys? Sorry, I'm using my gimbal. I was trying to do some B-roll for you guys. I failed. So the wheels are finally here, as you can see. They're here. They are the Trailmasters TM5. I was able to negotiate a deal with the guy that had the tires. We were able to get those tires off the rims, and he sold me just the tires themselves. So we have the tires. The tires are the BF Goodrich all-terrain KO Series 1. I'm gonna take these bad boys onto the Jeep so I can put them inside. Oh god, that was a hassle. So as you can see, we have everything loaded up now. We have the wheels, we have the tires back there. We're actually gonna go just right around the corner, so hopefully this goes well. So we're gonna go to the shop right now. I'm so excited, guys. You have no clue. It was a hassle. I'm sweating a lot by putting all these tires and wheels on the truck, but nonetheless it's gonna be so good, guys. I'm so excited. So we're gonna head over down to the shop, meet you guys there. Alright guys, so we're here. He's already taking all the wheels and tires inside so they can mount them and balance them. We're gonna have the white letters outside facing the exterior of the truck. Like I told you guys, that cut it, hammer it down so it doesn't interfere with the tires. So it's gonna be a process, but I'm pretty excited, guys. Like I said, these Kia wheels on a Jeep are not good, so I'm pretty excited, guys. I hope you guys are too. I know this is a different type of build. It's not, you know, performance like a race car or something like that, but I'm pretty excited about it, guys. So we're just gonna wait for them to balance them and to mount the tires onto the wheels and balance them out, and then we'll install them here and see where it rubs and stuff like that to see what we have to cut. So I'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, the wheels and tires are installed. It does rub with the driver's side side skirt. It looks freaking sick. The stance is, you know, amazing. So I'm pretty excited once I cut that. I'm gonna try to get a lift, that way it doesn't interfere even more of how it is. So I'm gonna have to do that, but What is going on, guys? Today is the next day. I got a haircut, we're clean. All morning I was kind of trying to fix the part where it's rubbing. Actually bought a lift. It's a 2-inch lift from Rough Country or whatever it's called. So that's on the way. It looks freaking good right now. It really does. The only downfall is that it does scrape a lot. So as you can see here, I don't know if you can see that piece of metal in there, it's rubbing on this back portion right here as well. See how it's cut? But that's pretty much what happened with the tires. Now the back is good. There's no problems with the back. Pretty much it, guys. I'm gonna do a cinematic shoot of this truck in this little area. We do have mountains up there, but there's no trails or stuff like that, so we'll take it somewhere once I have the lift. But as for now, this is gonna be it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, because a lot of content on the Jeep and my WRX as well is coming soon. Also, the giveaway is coming as well, so don't forget to subscribe for that. Other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll give you guys a little quick cinematic shoot of the Jeep Patriot with the new tire and wheel setup. And that's going to be pretty much it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Until next time, peace out.